Good morning to you. It's Saturday the 9th of April today, and I'm going to do some stories for you. The first one is about the DWP. Some good news for a change for some people, and bear in mind that when I say some people, I do mean a very few people. These are the deaf and hard of hearing. So if you are, if you're deaf and hard of hearing and you're going to claim PIP, or you are claiming PIP, you may, given the wind in the right direction, you may get a refund, a back payment. I wouldn't really hold your breath too much, but let's have a look at the story anyway. So this is in the Daily Record. People on PIP may be due back payments of up to £5,064 after a DWP assessment rule change. This was a previous article that's been updated, and they incorrectly stated a wrong amount. This was dated on the 7th of April this year, so this article is quite recent. So when you drill down, the crux of the article is, as I said, it's for the deaf and hard of hearing. A review of the PAP claims for deaf and hard of hearing may be affected by an upper tribunal decision, and this relates to washing or bathing safely. Follow a tribunal ruling from the year before, August 2020, there has been a change in how they consider someone can wash or bathe safely as part of the PIP assessment. Now, if a deaf or hard of hearing claimant is not able to hear a standard fire alarm that while washing or bathing, obviously if the risk is from a fire is quite low if you're having in the bath, the DWP will now consider whether a visual alarm, such as an aid, appliance, or a person, is needed. Now, obviously that would help them in order to wash or bathe safely. New guidance confirms that the DWP will review claims made between August 21, 2020 and now, including those where PIP was not awarded because you might gain enough points to get it. It's important to note that backdated payments will only affect existing claimants already receiving the daily living component part of the PIP award. And of course there are currently 30,801 people across the UK being supported through PIP for 15 types of hearing disorders. So at the moment it's unclear how many claims are being reviewed. We are now looking at PIP claims who may be affected by this change. We are not planning to ask you to provide any further evidence or invite you for an assessment. We will be looking at information we already have about your hearing impairment. Obviously there's a limited number of people that are going to be possibly getting a refund. If we review your claim, we will write to you, and you do not need to contact us. It may take some time. Obviously, if you are awarded this, then your reward will usually be backdated to the 21st of August if your claim is after that date. So there you go, good news if you're hearing impaired. And of course, you don't have to do anything at all, just have to wait. So I'll catch you next time. Have a good day.